Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Here in this series, we are on part 94 of it. 94 parts in, man oh man. This principle is super useful. This one I think is easily my top 5, top 10. And that is the idea that we can actually accomplish anything we desire to accomplish as long as we're willing to believe in it enough. Now, initially this sounds problematic, like, okay, some things sound impossible, some things seem impossible. But he's saying as soon as you start on the path and you really believe it, then you can actually achieve it. Now, the reason this works, going from a scientific perspective, is the subconscious mind is extremely powerful. It is a huge source of power and of all these different thoughts, emotions. It is just a huge powerhouse, as we know, that it may be as many times as 2 million times more powerful than the conscious mind. Everything in your conceivable universe, it may be 2 million times greater than that. Now, when the subconscious mind is given a great desire and it believes it, when you can have that desire and your belief together, or desire and faith as it's called from Think and Grow Rich, then this force is so powerful it will just spur you on to be able to achieve almost anything. Your subconscious mind will look for small details. It will, see all these things that you don't really see because it is so much more powerful than you are even than you can be aware of. So as soon as your subconscious mind is really programmed to go after this and you use desire and belief together, then you really can achieve nearly anything. Now, I would go with that. You can achieve anything just doing this kind of idea. Desire and belief. If you can desire it and you can fully, with your whole entire belief system, if you can just believe I can do it, then really you can. And it will just work out. It may take more time than you think it will, but with time, it'll work out. That's about it for part 94. I hope this was useful to you, and I will see you guys next time with part 95. So stay tuned.